the man and my man start losing his hair and my man come to me and say, listen, baby, I wanna do something. I wanna fix myself up. You think I'm gonna sit there and tell my man, no, you ain't gotta do that, don't put that on? No, I'm gonna let my man go fix himself up. If he wanna look nice and he want his hair to look nice, I'm gonna encourage my man to go ahead and fix his hair up. If that's what he want to do, he feels some type of way about himself, I want him to go fix that. I want him to go fix that for himself. Thank you for the gifts, hon. I laugh every time I get that mustache. Yo, the mustache gift is wow. Oh, man. That's like the funniest gift they have on here.